Let's say that I want to create a new page and to put on it some of my work or anything. It's a blank page that doesn't have anything over here. To set the ground over here, I can start by grabbing from the menu some of the resources. So I can add, for example, this section. I can add another section and another section. Based on your needs, you can add as many as you want. And this is how you set the ground so that you start adding to your page wherever you choose. So you could add a calendar, your Google Calendar. All right. So it shows directly your calendar embedded over here. You could add also a map if you want to put a map and embed it